Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Elisha back with another FIFA video. It's been a while. Remember how trash I was? I was so bad. I was really getting killed. But now I'm back. Yeah,
I'm thinking I'm back.
I got some tips for you. If you're trash, garbage, doo-doo stain, you just bad at FIFA, I'm gonna tell you right now, just quickly before I actually get to playing, what I did to get better at this game. Number one is the big secret, the Mamba mentality. Anyone who's good at anything will tell you this right here. Practice, bruh. Look at my record right now. 41 wins, 18 draws, 74 losses. Sometimes that's how it is. You're going to get more losses because that's how you get better. You keep playing because you're not going to just become really good at it instantly. Two, in FIFA, stop letting people tell you what exactly they're doing and just trying to replicate it. Everybody plays different. Playing FIFA is like trying to talk to girls, okay? There's that one guy who's telling you, yo, I know exactly what you need to do. I got that pickup line, blah, blah, blah. It always works. Nah, you got to find out what works for you, okay? And if I didn't know what worked for me, I wouldn't be right here making this video. Number three is play Ultimate Team. Yo, I'm telling you right now. And if you're watching this video, of course, you know the basics. You know how to pass, you know how to shoot, you know how to tackle. If not, go look that up on Google because this is for people who actually know the basics, okay, who want to get better, all right? Now play Ultimate Teams. This is where all the best FIFA players are. Go on there, play online, get your butt whoops a couple times, but that's how you're going to get better. Number four is be patient. Be patient, okay? It's not going to happen in just one day. You got to keep playing. It's almost just like the number one rule of playing a lot and practicing. Be patient. It's not going to come 1, 2, 3, 4 games, maybe not even 10 games. Some people learn faster than others, but be patient. It'll come. Trust me, it'll come. And the final one, number 5, switch it up. Stop doing the exact same things and expecting a different results. That's the definition of insanity. Stop doing that. Switch it up. Stop using the exact same formation all the time. Switch up your team. Switch up the different players or whatever. You don't want to have to get used to one specific thing because then when it stops working, then you have nothing else. Don't be a one-trick pony. And seek help. Seek help. Enough talking. Let's actually get to playing the damn game. Ooh, let's play rivals right now. Look at my team. All right, so we are back. Right now, and this is my team right now. This is how it's set up. Let's advance. Let's get to playing. I'm itching to play. Show y'all what I could do. Let's go. Let's see homeboy's team. Let's see what he's working with. Ooh, a full-on La Liga squad. Oh, that is strong. That is a strong team. Jesus. Whoo! But guess what? I'm not scared. I know what I can do. I'm ready for this. Let's go. Let's get it. No time wasting right here. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Let's get right into it. Let's go. That was bad, man. It's okay. Shoot that. Bang! It's good pressure, though. It's good pressure. When you start off like that, you scared the crap out of them. And if they get nervous quick, that really gets to them. You feel me? So I off-rip, get the ball away from him. Let's get it! Shoot that! Sturridge! Come on, my boy. Ah, he caught me. He caught me. Come on. Come on, see? What I learned to do also is, passing quick. Like, not wasting a whole bunch of time holding on to the ball. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ah! Come, shoot it! Get up! Ah! Y'all see what I'm talking about? Come on. I'm on this. Come on. Ah, nah. Relax, 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 relax. That's nothing. That's nothing. That's light work. 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 Let's get it. That's light work. Let's get it. That's light work. Let's get it. That's a goal. Bah! Let's get it. I'm telling you, boy. I'm here. This is a new me. This is a new me. Let's get it. Stop wasting time. Let's go. Don't even celebrate. No, I didn't. Did he pause it? Pause it for what? What are you gonna change? What are you gonna change? I'm not trying to be cocky, but what are you gonna change, bro? I'm here. That's what I do now. I'm telling you. Nah, when I was losing, bruh, it was rough. Now, I'm ready. I'm ready to play, boy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Pickford and go, boy. Playing with me. Nah, stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Let's get it. Run with it. Run with it. Run with it. Ah! Let's get it. Ah, that wasn't who I passed it to. Come on. Oh, that was too much. That was too much. That was way too much. Quick passing. Quick passing. Quick. Ah, bad choice of pass. And I knew it too. I don't know why I still did it. That was so stupid. That was so stupid. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? So stupid, bro. Come on, don't get too cocky. One thing, don't lose your focus when you start winning, because it could be over for you quick. Ah. Come on, that's a foul. Are you serious? Bah! Oh! Don't do what I do, is like already call what you're gonna do, because sometimes that's not what's needed in that moment. You don't want to do that. And listen, do what you want. Alright, I'm just giving y'all what works for me, though. I knew he's gonna try to. I know, bro. I know you. I've seen you before. Get it. Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. Ah, too much. That touch was horrible. It was too. Oh, you put too much behind that. We're playing good, though. We're playing good. We're playing well. It's all right. I didn't get that second goal I wanted in the first half, but it was good. It seems like we're dominating right now. Let's see the stats. 4 shots, 1. Okay, the possession reflects it. But you know, I'm putting on the pressure. Stats don't always show the whole story, but pressuring. I need 1 or 2 more goals, like off rip, off the bat. Off the bat. 2 more goals. Nah, not gonna happen, bro. Not gonna happen, bro. Clear that. Ah! Get him! Thank you. Ooh! Come on! Don't dwell on it. Yes, papi. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're trying to score. I'm not letting you. I'm not let you score. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's not how it works. That's not offside, bro. That's not offside. Slide that. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get. That was so. Sometimes I do some dumb stuff. I don't even know why. Who are you talking to, bro? You know who you're talking to? Yo! This game, son. This game. We're gonna win on our own. Come on. All right, that's a little bit. He's doing too much now. He's doing a little bit too much now. I don't like that. I don't like that. You feel me? I'm not really messing with that. I'm messing with that. Hold. I need a hold. Pause. Need a hold. Cross that. That's a pen. That's a pen. Yeah, PK. PK got that PK in the box. PK got that PK with no socks. Come on. But that's light work. Straight down the middle, Panenka. Straight down the middle, Panenka. Bang. That was so stupid of me. That was so stupid. I tried to. Don't get cocky. Don't be like me. Do not get cocky, because it will go against you. And now it's a counterattack. He won't score that, but still. Like, don't get cocky, bro. Just score the penalty like you're supposed to. It's very nice. It's very nice. Score that. Put that away. That's not another pen. That's not another pen. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. See, law of attraction. I talked about it enough. It came right back to me. We got a penalty now. We're going to take the chance. Take it. Off rip. No playing games. No playing games. Bottom corner. Bottom corner. Off rip. No playing games. No playing games. That little thing. Pop, 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 pop. Hey, Lacazette. Thank you very much, sir. Merci beaucoup. Merci, Alexander. Wherever you're watching this from, I can hear your support. I appreciate you. But support a little bit more and hit that subscribe button and also the like. All right, so yeah. Thank you. Control. It's too slow. Let's get some substitutes in, boys. Let's get some substitutes in. Let's see, or gals. Fabregas is looking a little tired. Bernardo Silva getting there on the right wing. And that's it. He's done. Let's go. Got my boys on the changing. Let's see. Who can I place it right there? Hit it hard. Bah! Oh! Come on! Nah! Give me that. Kill him. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, man. Sometimes you gotta tackle. Come on, bro. Like that tackle hit him after the ball went out and he still got the free kick. That was so yo, I be doing some stupid stuff sometimes. I'm telling you. Oh, that's offside. Oh, that's so offside. That would have been beautiful, though. That would have been amazing. First of all, shout out to Oreos for these. Oreo, you see that? The Oreo minis? Fire. Ooh. Y'all saw the hustle? Get him. Bah! Shoot that. Ah. Let me get that. Let me get that. Oh, that's an empty space right in the middle right there. Let's get it. Should we cross that again? Nah, that's him. And it's added time. Let's get another one. Should we get another one? We could get another one. Ah! Game over. Game over. Game over. I'm gonna be honest. I was a little bit of a jerk. I'm sorry, but that's what happens sometimes, man. When you've been losing so much, you just kind of gotta toot your own horn. And I've improved a lot. This wasn't one of my best games. I mean, Lacazette and Sturridge both got over 9.0 ratings. Fred, 6.3, but that's because I wasn't really playing that much in the middle. It was really going down the wings during this one, as you can see by the 6.6 for Bernardo Silva too. Maybe that was because he came on the second half. I don't know. But anyways, my two strikers got over 9.0s. Pickford did his thing. Fernandinho held his own in the defensive midfield. But, like I said, not trash anymore, so I can actually bring y'all a lot more of these FIFA videos, okay? This is actually entertaining now. I get to win games. I'm not saying I'm gonna win them all, but I'm gonna win them all. So, that's what the situation is right now. Take my advice, rewind this video, take my advice, and become better at FIFA, like I did. All right, this is a renaissance. For the New Year's, make that your New Year's resolution. And also, make it a New Year's resolution for you to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel also. But if you enjoyed this video, guys, like I said, drop a like for it. If you didn't, it's all good. Drop a dislike, but make sure you let me know why in the comments below. Also, make sure you check out the music and the social media to Goal in the description. And I'll see all you beautiful people next time on Goal. Peace.